So now we're going to put the adhesive on the floor, which is made by F Balls, which is F41 tackifier.
Now, I've seen you use this a few times. You seem to stick with this, do you?
Yes.
What do you like about that one?
So you get many different varieties.
Yeah.
Oozing does one. Generally, we stick with balls. They're all pretty much much of basically the same sort of thing. So basically, this stuff always stays tacky.
Okay.
So it's like a release. It's what we call a release agent as well. So instead of being a permanent bond, it's a release bond.
I see. So
yeah,
in theory, you could take a tile up again.
Pretty much. That's what it's for. Basically,
okay.
It's specifically for carpet tile.
I see. Yes. So.
Yeah.
Okay.
So liquid, and all we do, just dip your roller in, and then just roll away.
How long do you have to leave it before you start putting the tile
So as
down?
you can see at the moment, it's like a white milky colour.
Yeah.
And what will happen, it will go translucent, so you won't be able to see it, sort of thing. And then basically you can touch it with your hand, and you'll know straight away once it's, because your hand will start to be tacky basically to the floor. Steve, take that please, mate, and put it on one of the. Cheers. Let's put this over here. One more dip. Job's a good one. There we have it.
Okay, so you're just going to wait for that to go off a bit, yeah?
Yep, we're going to wait for that to dry out. I'm just going to do this bit down here and just leave a slight little walkway.
I see you've got all these tiles, these boxes, Hughie. How far does a box go? How many?
So there's 5 square metres in a box.
Yeah. Okay.
Henry, you're always in the way, mate.
Okay, looks like you're ready to start laying some of these.
Yeah, we're going to start fitting them off now.
Yeah.
Steve's going to start doing the first line. That's it, just button, mate. There you go. You on the line? You're not running off, are you? Right, because you're not right, are you? Come on, away. That's it, you got your line now, Steve, so just as long as they're set up right, that's all right, mate, it's fine. Right, so where are we going now then, Tontillon?
All the way down like this.
Yeah, but what we're going to do cross now?
The middle one.
Bradman. What do you reckon here? What do you reckon here? What do you want to grey now, yeah?
No, do that.
So where do you want to do central? So let's have a stand up, stand back. Where it looks about halfway. I'll see what we'll do, we'll put it central in here. So I reckon about here, eh? That one there, yeah. Yeah? That looks, because it's about central to this, and it's about half and half then, yeah? What you want, a light grey? Alright, so I want the three of these then up here, yeah? Mark on that one. What, mate? Dark ones. Let me just. Oh, I've got some. How many do you want? They go right up. Yeah, mate.
Oh, there's an idea that we come up with.
Yeah.
Instead of doing the idea that we've got that L shape going that way and then the L shape coming this way.
Hang on, let me just have a look at this L shape.
Okay.
Hang on.
That's the L shape
This,
here.
this light grey.
This light grey coming up here.
Yes.
And we've got light grey coming across there.
Yeah.
Someone's come up with a good idea, having the light grey is coming up, the L shape going that way, so it's locking and locking this side as well, instead of doing that shape coming
Yes,
across.
I think that would work. Let's have a look, Steve.
Yeah,
I want
do a
to
quick
put it
little pattern
down.
there
Yeah.
and see how it goes.
Okay.
This might be permanent or it might not be, it all depends how it looks.
Yeah.
So they all fall in. Do the other tiles first. So
Yeah.
it's fine. So so we'll put these ones in first.
That's how it would be. We've got these, that coming up, and you've got the L
Coming up
shape
here
going
now.
that way.
We did two again in it.
Yeah.
So this one here, so what we'll do is put these in first. So take them out again, mate.
Yeah. And you're light blue.
And light blue here. There's another tile. You've got a wonky tile here. This one. Clap for me, Pete. Stepping off. Hey? Shall we look? Just gotta take them off. What's going here? So push that down. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Get that way. Push your hands. Cross first, mate. That's it. Right, what's next?
Jump up, Hughie. Let's have a look at that. What do you think?
That's quite cool, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, I think you've made the right decision there, Stephen.
You happy with that, Steve?
Yeah, it looks good.
Yep.
Right.
So what, you do the same up this end now,
Yep.
will you? Yeah.
Break through now.
Okay, cool.